Alright, so how's everyone doing? I'll explain what's going on here with all these multiple angles and things. My name's Dave Donoghue, the guitar coach for anybody that doesn't know me, and this is a lesson request for George Ezra's song, Me and My Girl. So, really cool song. I've only listened to it once, and a capo goes on the 3rd fret. Now, what we'll do is we'll move in here and I'll explain what's going on with this lesson. I'm testing this out. Usually with new songs, I have to listen to them like loads of times. With this one, I'm experimenting, just teaching this on the fly, which is really how I teach in lessons. So really here, you're going to see how I figure out songs for lessons if I'm using Ultimate Guitar as a reference point. So you'll see Ultimate Guitar on screen, and the link to this will be in the description below. It's Hold My Girl, Acoustic Chords, George Ezra, capo 3rd fret, as you can see, and I have my own capo on. Now, the strumming pattern I will cover myself, and the chords I'll show you here as well. So, we have a G, 4-finger G, now D, and in this example they're saying to put the thumb here as well. How I know that is because when you look here on the 2nd fret, you see on the D, you'll see the 2nd fret is mentioned. Then we have C, C with the G, which is basically, well, it's C add 9 really. So C with the G. Okay, these are named a bit funny. Then E minor. So, what I'm going to do is, I'm just going to play the chords a second. You'll see how they fall above the lyrics. It goes, I've been waiting for you to come around and tell me the truth about everything that you're going through. My girl, you got nothing to lose. Excuse any slight inaccuracies there now with the melody. Second time hearing it. So, the chords are all really manageable, as you can see. And the thing about this is the rhythm is just going down, down, up on each. So I do it on G, down, down, up on D, down, down, up on C, down, and again C, E minor, D, G. Now in case you're wondering, well, do I do this E minor or this one? Both work well. I'll tend to flip between them in this lesson. If you want the full-on 100% authentic George Ezra sound, this is the one with 4 fingers. So we get G. I've been waiting for you to come around and tell me the truth. Okay, now the thing about that is you'll notice here, I'll just move in here. See the way I've been waiting for you. G, D, C. And again, this is the cool thing about Ultimate Guitar on a laptop. You see how they pop up, or a PC. Now, the C chord will go on for another one here. It's not written, but it's implied. And how do you know that? Well, you know it because of the singing. I've been waiting for you, C, to come. There's just that gap there to fit it in. Okay, so we have the verse. And then we move on to the pre-chorus. C, E minor, G, D. Okay, and this is the thing. I'm actually using my in-ears here so I don't flag for copyright. So it goes like this. Oh, nights, day, morning, your way. Then G, chorus, I've got love, deep, got confidence, rise above. Give me a minute to hold my girl. Give me a minute to hold my girl. Alright, so that part then, what's happening is as follows. That's E minor, give me a minute to hold my girl. Now the C slash G, that's your C major chord with your pinky on the G at the bottom. Give me a minute to hold my girl. And disclaimer, if any singing sounded a bit funny while I was doing the playthrough, it's because I'm kind of tracking it as I go along. So, continuing on, I'm going to go from crowded, town, or silent bed. Town, silent bed, pick a place, rest your head. Give me a minute to hold my girl. Give me a minute to hold my girl. Verse 2. Working hard and saving it up. I'm just tracking along. E minor, D. Move into the pre-chorus. Nights, Sunday morning, your way. And we're back into the chorus. So we go G, a time, G, I've got love, D, got confidence to rise above. E minor, give me a minute to hold my girl. Give me a minute to hold my girl. G, crowded town, silent bed, D, pick a place to rest your head. Give me a minute to hold my girl. C slash G, a minute to hold. Onto the bridge, we go E minor. Second to turn around. Let's take a look at the bridge, okay? Now, if at any stage the flow of this feels like, is Dave hearing extra stuff in his head? It is because I have the song playing in my ears here as I'm going along at times. So we'll see how this works out. I'd love to hear your feedback below. If you find this useful, or if there's anything you're like, dude, that was just weird, just post a comment. Always looking to learn. So, something constructive. Thanks. Okay, E minor. Now, the bridge, E minor again, then C with the G. Back to E minor. Takes one hot second to turn it around. Takes one hot second to turn it around. Then onto the chorus. And this chorus is broken down. So it'll be like, dance you rise above. Give me a minute to hold my girl. Give me a minute to hold my. Build it up, then G. Crowded town. G silent bed, pick a place to rest your head. And you can strum it even louder if you wish. My girl, give me a minute to hold my girl. It's the chorus again. I've got time, I've got love, got confidence, you'll rise above. Give me a minute to hold my girl. Give me a minute to hold my. Chorus again. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down. Give me a minute to hold my girl. Give me a minute to hold my girl. And on the last line, you'll strum that chord once. Give me a minute to hold my girl. You may have noticed there, at one point I changed my rhythm. Instinctively I do that sometimes. So instead of the verse, I was going down, down, up, down, up. I was doing that down, down, up, down, up rhythm twice for each chord of the chorus. So on G there you'll see G, time, G again. I've got love, D, got confidence, you, D, rise above. Give me a minute to hold my girl. C with the G, give me, like that. Alright, so that was the lesson for me. Oh, what's the name of the song? This is what I mean. Hold My Girl. I was going to say Me and My Girl. That's a different song. Hold My Girl by George Ezra. Hope you found this of value. If you did, if you could hit a quick thumbs up just to share it, or if you want to hit subscribe to keep up to date for future lessons. Yeah, as I was saying, I'm testing this out. Room for improvement, of course. There'll always be room for improvement. But yeah, any feedback, let me know. Just post a comment below. The joke about it being constructive earlier was just because younger kids do watch the channel. So keep the language clean, folks. Catch you very soon. Thanks for watching.